Hello guys, so a new version of Filament is now launched, which is the Filament version 4. So one of the newest update is the implementation of multi-factor authentication. So here we have two options, which is the app authentication, which utilize Authenticator app, and the email one. This is the most simplest one, but today let's discuss the app authentication. So how to do it? First, let's click that. And first is we need to implement app authentication secret. So first, let's create a migration. Uh, Make migration app authentication secret to users table. So we have here a new authentication. I mean new migration. So let's add the column which is the secret, and along with it is adding it into our hidden and cast. So let's go at our users model at hidden along with the cast. Let's go back here. It should be encrypted. And next one is to add some functions here. Let's just copy this and go. But we need to implement the hash authentication. So let's go here, extend the hash authentication contract from the filament out, and the next one is by adding it on the multi-factor authentication in the admin panel. So let's search admin panel, and here let's input the multi-factor authentication along with the app authentication. So another, if we want to implement recovery codes, which is highly recommendable, so we need to add this also along with our new migration. So let's add this and create a drop column table, drop column, secret and recovery code. Okay. Now another data here at our hidden and a cast. So go back here, cast. So I think it's, oh, another one is the hash app authentication recovery, which is we need to implement this, and hash authentication recovery lit extend the hash authentication recovery. So we have now implement it. Now let's try to uh, log out. So we have a users here, but first thing is we need to implement the profile. This is required, the profile. So profile now is good, and let's go and refresh this and go to our profile. So we have here an authenticator app uh, right here. So we just need to set it up by clicking this. So you need to open your, for me, I'm gonna use a Google app. So let's add the code and scan the QR code. So wait for a moment. So it's now scanned, and let's enter the code and enable authenticator app. Oh, sorry. We need to migrate PHP artisan migrate. So it's now migrated. Let's try to refresh it, and let's just account and add another code. Set up, set it up. That's it. And let's input the generated for tree and enable. As you can see, Authenticator app is now enabled. Let's try to log out and log in. Sign out. Now let's go and log in. Our users sign in. As you can see, we need to enter the 6-digit code from our Authenticator app, which is 413424. And confirm sign in. And now we are now log in. So that's just how you implement multi-factor authentication using app. So it's so easy and so nice having this new update with the Filament version 4. And I think that's all, guys. And thank you.